what are we doing? Where are we going?
We're about to go pick up $800 of Rogue equipment, squat rack, barbell plates. E-value is at probably close to $3,000 to $4,000. We'll probably sell it for, I don't know, $2,000-ish. We're probably gonna make a bit over $1,000 profit on this. Should be nice.
We are in the back roads. We're trying to get up to his house here in Brevard.
Hey, what?
He found the trailer parks.
He said it's a greenhouse on a hill.
Beside the lake. People look like they got plenty of money out here too.
They do.
Dang, this road looks like it could use
Who
some work.
made these roads? Looks like a skate park.
I know.
Turn right onto Lakeview Road.
This one?
There's a lake here.
Dang. I think it's
That's
man-made.
awesome.
This looks like the lake where Michael Scott followed his GPS into. It says go straight. Maybe it's a shortcut. Imagine if I made you go out here alone.
Woody. I probably would.
Going straight. Away, buddy. Big Tacoma coming through. That's that house.
Big houses around here, though. I guess it's cheap.
Dude, this looks like Linville Gorge, doesn't it?
I don't know. I haven't been there.
You went one time with us.
I don't think so.
Yeah, you have.
Maybe I did.
I feel like this is just Airbnbs.
Probably.
It's very nice. How'd they even get houses up here? Trees everywhere. Road so narrow.
Fresh air.
This is Looking Glass Falls. I farted again, by the way. Sheesh. We go left here, go straight, and then curve. Oh, yeah.
More force than some of these pavement princesses get all year.
At least it drives good off-roading. This truck. We'll pull up when we say we want all this stuff for free. The drive was terrible. Or do like those Indians, like pull up and you're like, oh, I thought you said it was 700. That's what you said.
Left. Oh my gosh, this is really the middle of nowhere.
Bigfoot.
Why would you want to build your house up here?
No idea.
I get that's probably super cheap.
The Brevard houses up here, they go for a lot of money. But to build up here is very expensive. This is it.
No.
One more. Greenhouse.
This is green. This is already out right there. He just sees us go down the hill. Stop!
Hands are wailing out of the window.
Trying to grab onto the branches.
Oh crap. Am I good? Can I keep
You
going?
can keep good. Keep going. Fine. Go.
Ouch.
How's it going?
Is that good? Can I back up a little more? Well, tell me. Oh, what's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? How are you, buddy? Oh, you're a good boy, huh?
You got it. All right. Well, we'll load it up. There's two different types of pads. They all click together, but these ones are kicked off to the right have at least one flat edge. The ones at the bottom are.
You're a friendly boy.
Otherwise, nothing's too heavy, so y'all have no problem. I did it, pulled it apart by myself. So. All right. Thank you.
All right.
Absolutely. I'm getting ready to sell the house, and so I got people coming over to take pictures tomorrow. So it was a good time.
Awesome.
Hopefully, you guys will make a buck on it. I know that's
Yeah.
what y'all do.
Yeah, we're flippers.
Yeah, I mean, hopefully you get the money back just in the bumpers and then everything else.
Yeah. I'm glad we're able to come out here pretty quickly.
No, it was a good timing.
It's a bit of a drive.
Colorado Asheville.
A mix of Asheville and Fairview. Oh yeah. There's some areas they get deep in the woods. Is he house trained? Not gonna run off anywhere?
No.
That's
he's,
good.
My wife's the director of the summer camp.
Uh huh.
He free roams 1,200 acres every day.
Oh wow, that's
Love
awesome.
that.
What a good boy.
All like,
What kind of dog is that?
it's called a Legato. He's an Italian water dog.
Oh, that's awesome. He's so friendly.
He loves
Good boy. That's a good boy right there. You want the rack? You want to throw this off?
I'll hold the back piece so it don't come down on you. And then just be mindful for him 1 second. Good for you.
Heavy?
Not like.
Oh, we were trying to carry both of them at the same time. Move that thing. That works. We'll just lift it up later. Just load this one too. Okay. You got it. You want to lift it up?
Oh yeah. Anyone need straps? Maybe we should have done.
What do you mean?
That going anywhere?
Not if we drive. We don't have any straps. Do you have any straps we can buy off you?
Sure do. What do you just hit? This D-ring and that D-ring?
We hook it up over here.
That works as well.
Yeah, that'd be awesome. Just our last strap broke.
I always keep a bunch in the truck. Those are the Those are the oh shit bars.
Oh, that's nice to have.
What is that?
If you fail, and the bar won't kill you.
Low enough that you can actually press, you can jim your way out of there.
Oh, that's awesome. Never even heard of those. All right, let me start loading these up. Hey, buddy, I want to come here, buddy. You're such a good boy. Come here, come here. Such a good boy. Come here. Oh,
What do you think?
such a good boy. Oh, we just got strapped down real nice. How much we owe you for this?
On the house.
Oh, really? Thank you. Just gotta make sure you leverage it right. Okay. We've loaded up, how much was it?
We hit the gym liquidating, so
We loaded up like 4,000 pounds on one time.
probably more.
Y'all have a storefront, or you just do the same thing in reverse and just put it on marketplace?
Just Facebook. It makes a buck. Slow down a lot. Everyone's out of money right now.
Well, everybody's out of money and everybody's got to go back to work.
Yep.
So having the home gym has less value.
Yep.
They do sell. I sold a couple stuff just this past week, so it's a good side hustle. Oh yeah.
Literally drop.
So we're stacking up the mats. These are some nice mats though.
We might just keep those mats, honestly. Those are amazing. We need
Yeah.
some.
They're really nice because in here, just deadlifting, get away with it on concrete, but it's loud as hell.
Where did we buy that super long all-in-one mat? You know, it was like 600 bucks for.
450. Give them a pretty good deal.
Other thing y'all can do is keep an eye out for bars that are closing down. They're horse stall mats.
Oh, really?
They're a little bit, they're the same material, it's just rubberized. But
Dang.
they're a little bit thicker. They're usually like 3/4.
Yeah.
They're heavy as hell, but they work really nice too.
Barn horse mats.
Let's get this thing shredded.
I love this dog, man.
He's a good boy.
Yeah,
He
good
lives a hell of
boy.
a life.
That's awesome. Good. Trying to give me a dog. Good boy. Maybe loop it on under like this sometime under,
Reach?
Well, you got tons of it.
just so it holds it better. Come on, baby. All right, got it.
Let me just grab a piece of cardboard so I don't tear this up on.
How old is he? What a good dog. Aren't these hunting dogs?
Originally they were duck dogs.
Oh.
Actually now they're used mostly for finding mushrooms and truffles.
Oh, that's awesome.
Do you shed a lot or not?
Really shed it all. That's why I got him and not like a doodle.
I would get sick of the shedding.
Well, I'm allergic. I'm really allergic to dogs. And even like doodles that are kind of off-breed, I'm allergic
Yeah.
to. So he doesn't shed at all.
It's amazing. What's he called again? What was the species?
It's called a legato.
Legato. That's awesome. All right. Well, thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Seal.
Have a good one.
Yeah. Legato.
Better for you to back up and see.
You could take a left out of here?
This is a one-way. That way. It'll be easier for y'all to get out.
That'd be great.
Go straight. Y'all just going back to Asheville. Which way
Yeah.
did you come?
We came up from that way. We came up from 26 up here.
So once you get about halfway down 276, you'll start hitting cell service again.
Gotcha.
So just go down here. You're gonna go to the entrance where you basically come in.
Right.
Take that road. Take a right on East Fork.
Okay.
Go down Power Station and take a left on 276.
Okay. That
All right?
sounds good.
All right.
Yeah.
All
All
right.
right.
Come on.
We'll see ya.